Hey, this is Eric on another review, how to day trade for a living, and it comes with a PDF information that will blow your socks off, I'm sure. Stay tuned. Reach your financial goals by day trading with TradeOurMoney.com, regardless of your background or previous experience. It doesn't matter if you are looking for a side income or trying to replace your full-time income or working towards retirement. With the Trade Our Money proprietary system, you can learn from a professional trader and leverage their experience for yourself as you start down the path towards financial freedom. Click on the link in the description below to schedule a free coaching consultation today. Hey, welcome back. Are you looking for a quick and flexible way to supplement or replace your income? Now, I know you've probably heard that a lot. You've heard that from all kinds of different gurus trying to sell you all kinds of different products and services. But if you're lacking previous day trading knowledge or experience, true beginners to experienced investors, the program works well and welcomes everyone. Not sure if you have the time to day trade? Well, our traders can earn income trading for as little as an hour or sometimes even 30 minutes. I've made trades, a couple of them, where it's less than a half an hour and it's done, okay? And if you don't know if it's right for your financial situation, the program here helps you reach your own version of financial freedom. And I've said this many times before, you don't start at the top anyway. Okay, I didn't, and you start at the bottom and you work your way up, okay? Making $25 profit in a day and starting and then moving up to, say, $50 a day within a month, and then $100 a day and $200 a day. And once as you get to that point, you don't really have much thought about how you started from the beginning, but it does take a little bit of a process, okay? Is day trading a practical source of income for you in your business, whether you want to day trade for a living or just on the lunch breaks, you know, just be kind of like a side hustle type thing? They can teach you how to earn the amount that you want, okay? And also trade a little or trade a lot, okay? Just like I stated before, some of our traders do this for a living, so it's not rare to see them spending more time each day creating wealth with Trade Our Money. And you can trade anywhere, anytime, especially when the market's open. And I'm not talking about just one specific market here, okay? There's several different markets that you can trade. So make sure that you pay attention to the demo video right now, and make sure that you click on the link in the description below to get your free coaching call, and also watch the free on-demand video webinar.
Guys, so I'm seeing this EUR-USD trade, and I'm thinking that I want to take a quick short on this. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to talk about this in a second. Let's get the trade in. So I'm going to hit sell, and I'm going to move it down to 20 points. I probably may adjust that here in a second, but because I think this market's going to move pretty quick, I just want to make sure that we get that in. And then I'm going to move a stop. Always want to stop in. So I'm going to move a stop out at 40 points, give the market a little bit of movement here since we're scalping. The reason why I think that we're going to be able to go short on this, mainly just because if you look at the 60, this is a 60-minute chart here on Euro-US, and if you look at the majors and the minors, both of these markets are strong, they're tight, they're moving down. The pressure on this market, you've got both of these lines, the sellers, the buyers, pointing down with selling pressure on top with the selling market. TNTs, we got two of the orange lines pointing down, dotted blue line, which is an inverse line, pointing down. So 3 out of 4. The reason why I say 3 out of 4 is because the blue, the thick blue, which is typically the slowest of the 4 lines, has not reacted yet. So I got 1, 2, 3 of those lines, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the major and minors lines included there saying sell, 8, 9, 10. Very powerful setup on the 60-minute chart, which is my trend. Like what this is doing is it's telling me that heavy, the mass, when I'm scalping, the masses, the majority of the market right now thinks this market's going to continue to go down. So what I'm doing at this point is I'm just waiting for the 5-minute chart. This is a 5-minute chart. So same indicators, but instead of a 60-minute, what I'm doing is I'm trying to position myself and time it in a way that I get in on this, I guess, a metaphorical wave, right? When this market goes up, and you can see it dropping, but right about here, and I'm pretty confident we've already won the trade by now, so we'll go back and check on it. But right about here is where we identify that this market's going to just slide. It's going to go majors, minors, pointing down. I set it for 20. The ATR, which is an average true range, is saying it's averaging about 49 to 50 points per 5 minutes. I think we could have squeezed maybe 25 points out of this. And the only reason why I say not the full 50, I would have went for 50 if we would have seen this about 5-10, well, probably like 10-20 minutes ago. But unfortunately we didn't. But because I still saw momentum building up in this market, we tried to squeeze about half of this, which was about 20-25. So that's where we jumped in. You could see that about the time we jumped in, which was here, majors, minors, we're still pushing through. There's still some more room in here. Red pressure popping on top. Both the buyers are just selling off right now. You can see that green line pointing down. So let's just check on our trade, and there you go. There you have it. We want our trade. If we check our account history on that, $200 right there. There's the trade. $200 in maybe 5 minutes is what we, if we go back and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. Not too bad. $200 in 5-6 minutes can change your life.